Enforcement Directorate moved court against Kejriwal for skipping summons. He has said that if the court asks him, he will reply. On poaching charges, he has said, I felt pity for the crime branch officers who had come. He also says that political masters have been insulted. That's the word coming in. Let's listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal said.
कितना उसके अंदर कितना बुरा लग रहा होगा उसको कि मेरा दिल्ली पुलिस की एक तरह से कल बेइज्जती कर दी इन लोगों ने। उनके जो राजनीतिक पॉलिटिकल मास्टर्स हैं उन लोगों ने पूरी दिल्ली पुलिस की बेइज्जती कर दी। वो ये पूछ रहे हैं कि किन लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी के एमएलएज को खरीदने के लिए किन लोगों ने अप्रोच किया। ये किसी से छुपा है? सारी दुनिया जानती है। इस देश में एक ही पार्टी है जो सबको खरीद रही है। जिन्होंने गोवा में सरकार तोड़ के बनाई उन्होंने ही किया हमारा भी। जिन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में एनसीपी तोड़ी उन्होंने ही हमारे एमएलएस को। जिन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में शिवसेना तोड़ी, कर्नाटक में सरकार गिराई, राजस्थान में सरकार गिराने की कोशिश की, ये जो पूरे देश के अंदर जिन्होंने उन क्राइम ब्रांच के अफसरों को भेजा वही हैं इसके पीछे। इसमें पूछने की क्या ज़रूरत है? और वो जो लेटर लेके आया था, कोई एफआईआर का जिक्र नहीं, कुछ नहीं। तो इस तरह की नौटंकी से देश की तरक्की नहीं है। अच्छे काम करने चाहिए, दुनिया देश के लिए काम करने चाहिए, समाज के लिए, जैसे हम कर रहे हैं। आज तीर्थ यात्रा पे लोगों को भेज के आए हैं। ये इससे तो फ़ायदा है देश का, इससे तो देश सुख शांति होगी, लोग की तरक्की होगी। लेकिन इसकी ये नौटंकी करने से
जवाब मांगा है, लिखित जवाब मांगा है उन्होंने कि आज तक लिखित जवाब दे
वो दे रहेंगे। लेनी चाहिए शपथ तो जब वो जून के।
Cutting across to my colleague Rupashri Nanda. Rupashri, tell us more about the statement of the Chief Minister, please.
He was talking after he flagged off the 89th train, the pilgrim train for the under the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana. But he gave very crucial information or very crucial takes on what on the political situation in the country and what is happening with him also. Now, most importantly, he said about the ED moving the court. He said that if the court asks us for an answer, we will reply to the court. This is poised to be heard on the 7th. So one day later, when the ED moves that plea in the court, the Supreme Court, Rouse Avenue Court may actually ask certain questions both to the ED and to the Chief Minister. The second most important point is, of course, over his own allegation that BJP has been trying to have him within the BJP and other MLAs also. Now, regarding that, he also, another minister, Atishi, said yesterday, he essentially said that those very people who toppled governments and broke up parties in Goa, in Maharashtra, and tried to do that in Rajasthan, and even when it came to Jharkhand, they were trying for the same thing. Those are the very same people who are trying to do the same with our party also. And he said that those people who sent the crime branch team to my house, those are the very same people who he hinted that they are the very same people who are trying to approach him as well as people from within the party. Now, breaking his silence on whatever has happened in Jharkhand, because remember, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has not yet, spoken out much about whatever has been happening in Jharkhand. He said that the attempt there also clearly was to topple the government, and 48 hours had to pass before before the other party was invited for replacing Hemant Soren. So there also the attempt he claimed was to topple the government. So it is clear Aam Aadmi Party fighting with its back to the ground, clearly targeting the BJP, and clearly without naming the BJP, the Chief Minister said that it is the BJP which is actually behind this state of affairs. And when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, especially when it comes to the ED notice, the Aam Aadmi Party court of law, should the court also send a notice to the Chief Minister regarding his non-appearance in this particular case.
Rupashri Nanda getting us all the details on that story. Let's see how this one proceeds.